Today I'm going to be giving you 6 steps of how you can make money on YouTube without making videos. That's right, yes, we're going to show you 6 steps, and we're going to start now with, and what you're also going to be able to do is going to be able to actually not show your face on camera if you don't want to. Okay, so all of those people looking to get into YouTube but don't want to do it because they're frightened about showing their face on the screen, then stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, how you can then go and create these videos without actually showing your face. So let's jump straight in and go for step 1, which is creating your channel. So as I said, that's very simple. As long as you've got a Gmail account, you can then start a YouTube channel. If you've already got a YouTube channel, you can actually create as many YouTube channels as you like on that actual Gmail account. I've got a couple of YouTube channels that I'm running at the moment. One is a faceless channel, and one, obviously, as you can see, I'm in front of the camera. So very simple. So I say step 1, just click on create your channel, and then obviously you can actually go and just do a few simple steps and create your channel. Now once you've got your channel up and running, what you do need to do at a later date is obviously get a logo up and some channel art, but I'll talk about that in a little while because that comes a little bit further down the line. Get your channel sorted first, and then step 2, we're looking at choosing a niche. Okay, so choosing a niche. Well, obviously, if you are looking at doing a faceless channel, things like the top 20s, top 5s, things like scary channels, meditation, finance, tech channels, all those sort of things you can do very easily without actually showing your face. So choose a channel, and then once you've obviously got your niche, you want to then be able to create your logo and your channel art respective to your actual niche, because you want to make it look like a brand. Okay, so then people will want to actually subscribe and want to come back over and over again and promote your channel to other people as well. And actually, if you wanted to do that, you can actually go to a site called canva.com where you can go and actually create your channel art for free. Okay, step 3 in the process is obviously monetizing. You would need to obviously try and monetize your channel. Now how you can do that is obviously you've got to try and get into the YouTube partner program, and how you do that is obviously you've got to have to get 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours in a 12-month period. It is quite simple to do. Also, another way I'm going to show you later in the video, another way which you can actually start earning money right now as soon as you actually start launching your channel. Okay guys, so the way you can obviously go and actually create videos, there's the way that you can actually go to YouTube. You can put in a search term into the box, and you want to obviously search your niche, and then you want to search the most viewed videos within that niche, because you want something that people are going to be watching right now. And the way you can actually go and create your own videos is actually download a similar video, download the video, and then re-upload the video to your own channel. But obviously when you're doing that, what you want to do is obviously you want to just transform it into your own thing. Maybe narrate over it yourself, or get someone else to do that for you, and then re-upload it to your channel, where you obviously can use something of what they call fair use for some of the clips that you've used from other videos. Now, if you didn't want to go down the route of downloading YouTube videos and using some of the YouTube videos under the fair use category, then all you could do is you could go to a site called Pixabay or something like that, that obviously you can then download royalty-free videos and images to use on your videos. Also, what you could do is you can just narrate over the videos just by using your smartphone, record your voice, and then upload that to a editor. And then an editor, I use Camtasia, which is a paid editor, but you could use something like OpenShot, which is a free video editing software which you could use for PC or Mac. So step 5, obviously you could then optimize your videos. So optimize your titles, optimize your descriptions, optimize your thumbnails, which are optimizing your tags and your subtitles. And you can do this by a free extension which I use, and that's called vidIQ. So you can just download this to your computer or to your mobile, and you can go and search relevant terms and keywords and that sort of thing, so that they are fully optimized for the keywords that you want to try and rank for. So again, use the extension on this for vidIQ, which I'd fully recommend. That is free to download. The final step is step 6. You're going to be posting ads on your video. So when you've actually got monetized and you are in the YouTube partner program, this allows you then to place ads on your videos. So the way you want to do this is you want to try and make your videos at least 8 to 10 minutes long, because this means that you can then use what they call mid-roll ads in your videos. So you can have an ad at the beginning, you can have another ad every couple of minutes within your videos, and then you can have another ad right at the end. So this maximizes the amount of ads you can show, and obviously the more ads you can show means that the more money you could possibly make. Now, just before we go, a couple of other sites. Obviously, like I say, I've already mentioned that Canva is a great site for things like your channel art and your YouTube thumbnails, that sort of thing. But also, if you did want to outsource a lot of this, you could use a site such as Fiverr, where you could actually go and actually get other people to create the videos for you, and then all you have to do is literally upload them. You could even get them to obviously upload them and optimize them and etc. as well, but I would probably recommend that you probably do that yourself. And also, the last thing you want to do is obviously keep a track of your videos. Keep looking at the analytics, guys, and see how they are performing. Okay, now the things you want to obviously look at are your retention and your watch time, and also your click-through rate on your thumbnails. So if you've got a fantastic video and not a very good thumbnail and nobody's clicking through to actually watch it, all you've got to do is obviously try and a different thumbnail, and then straight away your percentage could go up, and of course then your views go up, which means obviously your revenue will go up as well. Now, like I say, the other thing you could do as well as the partner program, straight away you could add affiliate links to your YouTube descriptions and things like that. So you could go over to places like ClickBank, to Amazon, and also Digistore24, and you could go and create a link to a product that you don't actually own, which is relevant to your video and solves a problem for them, and then all you've got to do is actually just put it in the description below and put a call to action in the video, so that then they will click on that, possibly go and purchase the product, and then you would end up getting a percentage of that. Okay, so I trust you found these steps really useful. Follow them out. If you want this in more detail, click on the first link in the description below here. There's a free webinar. You can go and find out more in more detail about these steps. Okay, that's it for today. We will see you on the next video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing, then check out this video next. This will show you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing